Wait, she's coming.
Who's coming?
Onyeka, your wife is coming. She's coming to show you what she has on her handwork. Just hold on.
Okay.
Come on, babe.
See me now. Babe, I'm more.
What is this? Jesus.
A babe and what? Onyeka, was this what I taught you? What is it? Why are you disgracing me like this?
Jesus Christ.
Why not they shout? I don't fine.
Darling, you look like a masquerade.
Big one. Big one. What kind of masquerade is this?
I be like masquerade.
An ugly one at that.
Yes.
I swear.
Hey babe, I'm more like me. I be like masquerade me. Okay now. When I go see Aziza now.
Omo Sonia Uche, wetin be this? This woman will not buy me for this social media where all of us dey. Wetin be this? Hi, this girl can act. That's why I hardly skip anything wey concern Sonia Uche. Seriously, guys, you need to go watch this particular movie. This one is very hilarious. Like, you will enjoy every bit of this video. Rush now to YouTube, guys.